So parallel lines, we know that the slopes are exactly the same. They're going to be equal. So if you end up with a slope, let's say, just as an example here, let's say you had a slope, we'll call it -4/7, okay? So this is some kind of slope. Well, the parallel slope is going to be exactly the same. So if I was looking for a parallel slope, it would be exactly the same. I'm just going to put it in a different color there, so it'd still be -4/7, okay? So in red there, where the slope is -4, that's my rise is negative, that's down 4. And then the run, the denominator, is +7, so that's to the right 7. Where's that from? It doesn't matter where it's from. I'm just going to make up a line. So I'm putting this point in the top left arbitrarily. And then I say, well, I got to go down 4 and then to the right 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then we know we can continue this. Down 4 to the right 7. And then down 4 to the right. I can't get 7, so I guess that's it. So then you can draw your line. And if you do it really well, it looks nice and pretty. When you use technology like I did, it looks pretty good. Okay. Now, the parallel slope is -4/7 as well. So again, I'm just going to put this anywhere. I'll put it right here. Okay, so that's where I'm starting. But again, it's down 4 and then to the right 7. So down 1, 2, 3, 4 to the right 7, this point. And then I can fit one more. Down 4 and then to the right 7. So this gives me a new line, which is this one. And you can see, I mean, that's not great, but it's good enough to see that these two lines, at least they should be parallel, right? Because the slopes are always going to be the same. Down 4 to the right 7, down 4 to the right 7, down 4 to the right 7, down 4 to the right 7. It's always going to be the same slope. Now, these two lines will never meet, and that's what parallel tells us. Now, the second part here, the y-intercept is being different, and like you can see on these ones, right? You can see this y-intercept here, right here, and then this one right here. I can't tell the exact values because they're fractional, but I can tell you they're different, and visually we can see they're different just because they're not the same place. If they were, then we would end up with the same line, and that's something you're going to need to know for the assignment. If the y-intercepts are the same, then you end up with the same line.